Hello everyone, this is Crafty Kim. Thank you for stopping by and visiting my channel. I just wanted to share with you guys a little mini album, photo album book that I made using one of the kits from my Etsy shop. So this is what I did with it. In the kit you get a plain book with this lovely fur covered top, and this is just the material that you get at Walmart or Joann's. It has that like swirls that look like little flowers in it, so very soft and cute. In the kit I also give some crocheted embellishments, and so here's a crocheted picture, and this is just pieces of the trims that come in the kit. And I left it basically plain because this is going into my Etsy shop, so maybe the person who purchased it can add the baby's name here or some other embellishments. And you can see it is like jam packed, and I used Velcro, and it has a lot of space to add more items too. So let's get started. And here goes page 1. I used a lot of the images over because there really isn't that many kits out there with or digital papers that you can find with PeterRabbit. So I bought a few, and this is what I came up with. So here we have a pocket, a cute little PeterRabbit image. You could hang a charm from here. It has a hole to hang a charm. I used, this also comes in the kit, some rosette trim, and these are just part of the trim. Cut them in pieces, and these are photo mats, and they're just plain in the back. And I just used some sweet blue and white twine to match, so you get 3 tags. And then on this side you see more of that trim. This little image, I loved it. I used it a few times here. And you have a cute little tuck spot behind him, and you have some cute little photo mats. And like I said, they're all plain behind. Wanted it to be simple. Here you have a little photo mat, little tuck spot pockets, and also you can add 2 photos in here. Sometimes there's people out there who are not too crafty or scrapbooky, and I don't even know if that's a word, but I wanted to do something simple. I may just add a little heart charm there. I'm not sure yet. Here's the next page. We have this cute little image of PeterRabbit, and this is just a tuck spot with some more photo mats. And I use these throughout. You could also add a photo under here if you would like. Here I added a little bit of bling, and this is shiny. And here goes some more photo mats, and here's a bigger one. Some cute little rose trim. It's just plain in the back. And you have that cute little image of PeterRabbit again. Sorry about the shaky camera. This has a lot of real estate. I think probably about 50 places in total to put photos. I did count them and then added some more, so I kind of lost count. Here I'm going to be adding a little beaded dangle element here, and this is just a chipboard fence that I had in my stash. This is not in the kit. This is just something I added, but all these other things, they are in the kit. Here goes some more photo mats. And then you have that cute image of Peter. And then over here, I have a cute little tuck spot behind the bunny. It's just plain photo mats. Here, this is a paper clip that you can remove. Here goes another space to add a photo. And this paper clip charm, I did glossy accents, and it's very hard. And like I said, it's a paper clip, you can remove that. And here goes another photo mat to add a picture. And a cute little image of Peter there. Here goes the next page. And sorry about the shaky camera. My little one is jumping on the table. Here goes some photo mats. And they just tuck in like that, like so. And actually, I think it goes this way. And then here you have cute little beaded charm and another photo mat and some journaling cards. And they just tuck behind here. And there's still space to add behind this pocket. It's a very big pocket. And there goes some more of that trim down there. That comes in the kit. And then here goes the next page, the final page. And here, this is a journaling. I have a cute little glossy accent paper clip. And I think I like it better this way. So I'm gonna flip it this way. And this is just a journaling little booklet. So you can write the baby a cute little message. Here goes another little beaded element tuck spot. Put tuck, little photo mat, another little picture under there. And here goes some little charm, little button, and another PeterRabbit glossy accent charm. It's so cute. And when you remove this, you have more space, more pictures. So here I have a little glossy accent Flopsy Mopsy. And here goes some more photo mats. And here goes another one that's just plain. Fold down. You could add some larger pictures there.
The Bible.
This little book has a lot of real estate, and I still think you could add more. So here I have a cute little image of Peter, and that's just another tuck spot. You can add a photo back here if you like. And here goes just 2 photo mats. I'm just going to put this back together. And you could take this off. You don't need to keep this on if you don't want, or you could flip it the opposite direction. It doesn't matter. Choice is up to you. And then the final page, we have a little tuck spot here, 2 little photo mats, and then another side pocket. with some more photo mats. A little booklet, larger pictures, and another one for larger pictures. So this is my little
Benny.
PeterRabbit.
Benny.
My little
Benny.
PeterRabbit mini album. I hope you like it. This will be going up in my Etsy shop as we speak. You are interested, you can purchase it there, or you can use PayPal if you don't want to buy it on Etsy. Choice is yours. Or you can purchase the kit if you're not interested in the album itself. You can also purchase the kit and do it however you want to do it. So that is it, guys. Please leave a nice comment in the comment below. Let me know what you think. And I see you guys in my next video. Bye.